Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing well. So in this video, I will help you to understand how you can build a very powerful chatbot for event manager, event management or wedding coordinator businesses. So first of all, let's understand what is the need of building this chatbot for this particular business. So as you know, in this type of business like which are related to event management or the wedding coordinators, they usually get very repetitive questions every day, like they have to answer same question again and again, which is time consuming and it's require a lot of hard work. And because of that, to optimize this process and make this process more efficient, we build this chatbot which can help business owners to optimize their operation and answer day-to-day question more frequently without wasting tons of time. So let's start. So I've already built this chatbot and I will walk through how you can build for yourself and you can follow this step by step. So this is our Voiceflow dashboard. You can see now this is our chatbot. So it's pretty simple how you can create. I hope you guys already know how to create a new project, basically a new agent in Voiceflow. Now let's start with our chatbot. So this is the chatbot we already built. This is our agent. And this is the canvas. Now the first step is building a bot persona, and this is the very important thing while building a chatbot. So the bot persona helps our chatbot to give another personality to it. So the response which we are getting from the chatbot, it doesn't look like the AI response because we are using the bot persona. So if I show you the what prompt I have given here, so it's basically a very static prompt. I have used ChatGPT to generate this. You can use any LLMs to create this prompt. It's basically a persona, you can say. So now basically what we are doing in persona, we are giving some role and the personality, how it has to follow, how AI agent has to follow while answering user question. So these are the things it has to follow. Now here comes the main agent. So as you know, in this type of business, people often very frequently ask questions they often have. So we really need to have a very robust knowledge base which can answer all the questions which are related to this businesses. So first of all, so basically we are only going to use the AI agent because this is the most powerful node which is present in the Voiceflow. So that's why I have used Voiceflow AI agent. So now I will show you how you can build a very powerful knowledge base first. So you can see this is our knowledge base. Now here I've created, because since this is a demo chatbot, so I've just used the demo data you can see here. Now let me show you. So basically I've just used ChatGPT to generate this data just to show you how the knowledge base works in the Voiceflow. So you can see basically we are going to use FAQ section. So these are the different questions which I have taken in this. And so let me show you how you can upload this data into the knowledge base. Let me just copy this one and click on add data source. Since we are just copy pasting the plain text, we are going to select this one. Now here's the cool feature in the Voiceflow, which you can see here as LLM chunking strategy. Since we are dealing with the FAQs, we are going to select this option and just click on import, and we'll get something like this. Once you are done with this, you can also like test your agent. You can ask like what are the services you guys provide. So it will answer. This is just to help. It helps us to just test our knowledge base and we can identify if anything is left or not. Once this is done, you can just proceed with our canvas. Now we have another agent. So basically this is the AI agent, as you can see, and we already have knowledge base access. So we can directly access our knowledge base via this agent. Regarding the model, I went with the Gemini 2.5 Flash. This is the best model I think so far, and this is the fastest model I believe. Now this is the bot persona which we have created earlier, which we are giving here as a reference, and this is our prompt. So here I've given the dummy services and pricing data just to make sure the agent has the reference of all the services which we have. so that if the people ask something related to the services, it can answer much better than just querying from the knowledge base. And now here, so basically the main purpose of this agent is to answer the user questions and also try to understand if they are interested in our service or not. Once they show the interest, like if they show the interest, this is our exit condition. Like whenever they try to interest, like hiring, booking or getting code for the event planning or something, these are the trigger point, and we're gonna trigger this intent, and then we will move to the next node. So this is the lead qualification node, and this is the most important node in this particular workflow. So now here, the best thing we are doing is we are also classifying the user based on their preference and their need. So you can see here we have 4 type of leads: hot, warm, future lead and browser. So what we are doing here is we are trying to identify if the user is interested in buying our services in the sense like event planning and all, or they are just browsing, or they are not that serious. So we have to identify these things. And then these are the condition I have taken. So you can, this is like totally depends on you how you are classifying your leads. I have taken this example, you can take any example, it depends on you. Now again I have given this service data, you can skip this. I don't think this is the requirement because you already have all the data in the knowledge base, so you don't have to give it again. Now, so first, once we are qualifying the user, identifying if they are interested in our service or not, and seeing in which format they comes in, like is it hot lead, warm or future lead, we are going to ask some question to the user just to have the this data we have to collect from the user. So basically we are going to collect contact name, email, phone number, budget and the service they are looking for. So these are the details we are going to collect from the user, and these are some of the prompts which you will get this template in our blog section, so you will have everything, you will have the access of this everything. Now these are the output style, I mean this is a prompt. I have just used the ChatGPT and Claude to create this one. Now once user has provided all the data, the next step is like the exit condition. So this is a condition I have given: exit when user data has been collected, like name, email and phone number. Now these are the required variables like which we are extracting from the conversation between the user and the agent. So you can see we have summary, name, email, budget, and this is the cool thing, like we have given the LLM description. If you can see, we have hot, warm, future and browser. So these are the 4 types of lead which we have decided right now, but it depends on you whatever you want to create. And once this is done, and then we have a pretty simple step. We are sending this to the Google Sheet via n8n workflow. So it's like pretty simple automation you can easily do. And whatever data you want to collect on any CRM platform, anywhere, like you can do this via this step. Now after this is the follow-up email which we have to create. So basically this is a simple workflow I've created in n8n. So let's suppose once you have created this workflow and once you have stored all the data from the user, and once they have ended the conversation, we want to send them a personalized email just to make sure we got all the data, and just like you can send a follow-up email after the chat. So this is what we are doing here. Like basically these are the information we already have in our from the conversation, and then we are sending this to the n8n. This is the prompt I have created. You will get access to everything in the blog, and it will generate a very personalized email which will be sent to the user email. So yeah, so this is the overall build for this AI chatbot for event planners and wedding coordinators. So the main USP of this agent is it can handle any types of questions, and let's suppose if user asks something which are not in our agent, it can directly provide them the contact info or any touch point where user can contact with the human. So I think this is a very cool chatbot which you can build for your businesses, something in this wedding and event planning. So I think this is pretty much, we have everything we have covered. And if you have any doubt, you can always comment down below on my YouTube channel. You can see below, you can comment down, and you can also check out my website mindsightai.agency. We provide custom AI solution to B2B businesses, and yeah, thanks for watching.